Yes, as you see, Westy's here again. One positive reaction sound. As you can see, I'm doing the mids now. The mids are getting made, and these should be finished very soon. And then we will try out everything. These ones here are gonna have like doubles, so it's gonna be like obviously two speakers inside this box here. Probably about 500 RMS. As you can see here, just preparing another one here. So both of them obviously will have 1000 RMS watts, and that'll be mids, the mid range. Yeah, as you can see, the bins there. I'm going to be making another one of these as well, the bins. See, for little dances, I've got my little active speakers here as well. Little ones, which are still quite heavyish, you know. So just keeping you informed of the mids getting made. Yeah, later. Bless.